Hello, dear students. In previous class, I have discussed about integration, introduction on integration. Today, I will discuss algebra of integrals. Right? Algebra of integrals. Okay. Come to the point. Meaning of algebra. What is the meaning of algebra? Algebra means it represents a problem. It represents a problem with x, y, z variables. Okay, it's a and with operations like plus, minus, multiplication, division. Okay, so algebra it represents a problem with variables and with the operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Okay, simply we say this is algebra. Okay, perhaps you have known it clearly in a previous class. You see, today we will discuss algebra of integrals. Okay, you see, integrals of fx plus gx is equal to integral of fx plus integral of gx. Okay, that is integral of sum is equal to summation of individual integrals. Okay, then number 2, integration of fx minus gx is equal to integral of fx minus gx is equal to integral of fx minus integral of gx. Okay, number 3, integral of k into fx is equal to k into integral of fx. Okay, here we are discussing the integral with respect to x. Okay, here k is constant, right? These three points are algebra of integrals, very important to know. Come to example so that you can understand it clearly. Okay, integral of 3x plus 4x square is equal to, how can we find integrals of this function, right? So applying, we will apply what, which formula? This formula at first, integral of 3x plus integral of 4x square. Okay, then we will apply number 3 formula. You see 3, okay, taking 3 to outside, 3 into integral of x dx plus here taking 4 into 4 to outside, 4 into integral of x square. Okay, that is equal to 3 into x square by 2, applying the formula x square by 2 plus k1 plus 4 into here x cube by 3 plus k2, applying formula. Okay, I have discussed in previous class. You see, that is equal to 3 by 2 x square plus 3k1, okay, plus 4 by 3k x cube plus 4k2. Okay, multiplication. Okay, distribution law I have applied. Okay, so that is equal to 3 by 2 x square plus 4 by 3 x cube plus 3k1 plus 4k2. This is right. You can write this 3 by 2 x square plus 4 by 3 x cube plus k. You can write it also like this. Okay, because this is indefinite. It's a, okay, it is indefinite integral. Okay, the constant of integration, you see here k1 k2. Okay, so apply addition you can take this like this k. Okay, example 2. See, integral of x square minus 1. How can we calculate? You see, applying this formula. Number 2, integral of x square minus integral of 1. Okay, with respect to x. So that is equal to applying the formula x cube by 3 plus c1 minus x plus c2. That is equal to x cube by 3 minus x, okay, plus c1 minus c2. That is equal to x cube by 3 minus x plus c. You can write it like this. Okay, perhaps you have understood it clearly. Algebra of integrals. Later time we will discuss more about integration. It belongs to second year part in +2 mathematics. Later time we will discuss more about this. Now I am explaining in Odia. Algebra of integrals. Integral algebra हम देखिबा कोन algebra माने कोन इट रिप्रेजेंट्स ए प्रॉब्लम. गोटे प्रॉब्लम को रिप्रेजेंट कर उपस्थापन करतो केमती ना एक्स वाई जेड को व्यवहार करी गोटे वेरिएबल कोन नै कि एक्स वाई जेड ही पारे ए बी सी डी ही पारे लाइक दिस एवं विथ ऑपरेशन माने काटाकुटी नुहे जते कि प्लस माइनस या कहते ऑपरेशन मैथमेटिक्स रे हैला ई ऑपरेशन को नैतिबो एवं वेरिएबल कौन नहीं कि गोटे प्रॉब्लम टाइम जो उपस्थापन करिवो करे एटा कौन किएटा ऑपरेशन रिप्रेजेंट करे ना एलजेब्रा हैला. तो आम देखा कौन कौन अच्छी इंटीग्रल रे कौन कौन एलजेब्रा अच्छी एटा हम देखिले हैला. इंटीग्रल ऑफ समेशन ऑफ टू फंक्शन इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ इंटीग्रल ऑफ इंडिविजुअल फंक्शन. ओके, हियर यू सी इंटीग्रल ऑफ subtraction of two function is equal to subtraction of integrals of individual function. Okay, here integral of k into fx dx, a constant into a function, is equal to a constant, that constant into integral of given function. Okay, k is constant. Okay, example 1 এটা আমি एग्जांपल নেইছে এটা को एप्लाई आम केमती फॉर्मूला पकेचे ना यहाँ कौन यही सूत्र पकेबा सूत्र पकईकि आम करें देख ये आसुए बर्तमान ये तुम लिखिपार यहाँ को ये भी तुम लिखिपार यहाँ को सर्ट करके छोट करके के भी नहीं पार कहीं हूँ इनडेफिनाइट कन्स्टाट है ये रिप्रेजेंटेस 1 हो पारे 2 हो पारे 3 हो पारे ये पारे तेणु यहाँ को मिसेक ये लिखिपार. एग्जांपल 2 देख এটা माइनस आकार देछि एटा को कोन करियो एटा नंबर 2 फॉर्मूला को अप्लाई करबा ए बढिया हेछि देखो एटा हला एटा को c1 - c2 को c भी नहीं होबो. ओके, लेटर टाइम वी विल मोर डिस्कस अबाउट द इंटीग्रेशन. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच, बाय.